Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, the beanstalk update in Grow a Garden finally dropped this Saturday. But do you know that we can cook food even in this update? And today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about how to get the cooking pot. So without further delay, let's get into it. So first thing first, go to your inventory and search Garden Guide. And then in this Garden Guide, you will see the point as achievements. Inside the achievements, there is common achievements. And there is 5 tasks in total that you have to complete in order to achieve the reward. As you can already see, I have already finished 2 tasks, which are gifting 1 carrot and 5 strawberries. Now let's harvest 200 carrots. So let's sell 500 strawberries. These are the other 2 tasks that now we have completed. Now the only remaining task is to shovel 100 plants. So I am going to shovel these strawberry plants, and my advice would be plant all these trees really close to each other. That definitely gives you an edge. We still have 15 left to shovel, so I am quickly planting blueberries and shoveling them. Now, again, let's open the garden guide and claim all these rewards. And finally, we will get our cooking pot and common silver seed packs. Go to your cosmetics and you will find it here. Now cook, and you can even feed this to your pet. Okay, so that's all for now. Until next, take care and bye-bye.